Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please read the disclaimer stated in the description before watching the video. Today I am going to inform you about the difference between agreement and contract. Many people treat agreement and contract as a synonyms and they use them interchangeably. But in the world of business and law, they carry distinct weights and implications. While every contract is indeed an agreement, not every agreement qualifies as a legally binding contract. So, what is the crucial distinction and why it is essential to know it? Because first, it protects your interest. Second, it ensures clarity in your dealings. And third, it avoids your potential disputes. Now let's start with the topic agreement. What is an agreement? It means a mutual understanding or promise between parties. An agreement is a wider concept. It includes casual arrangements to more structured, though not necessarily legally enforceable arrangements. It can be entirely informal, that is verbal, written or implied. Crucially, agreement may or may not be legally binding. It means in case of breach, a party cannot take a legal action. What are its elements? First, offer. It means when one party is willing to do or not to do something with the intent to get others' consent. Second, acceptance. It means the other party accepts unconditionally the offer. Both the parties must agree on exact same thing in same sense. I'll give you an example. Scenario: if you agree to meet your friend at a local restaurant in Borivali for dinner and he agrees to show up. Now, this is an agreement because there is an offer and acceptance and there is no legal consideration or obligation. That is, no exchange of money or value. It means if he cancels his plan at the last moment, you cannot sue him for your wasted time and emotional distress. What is contract? A contract is a specific type of agreement that is legally binding and enforceable in a court of law. What are its elements? First, offer. That means the proposal must be clear, definite and explicit. Second, acceptance. It means when another party accepts unequivocally all the terms and conditions of the agreement without any change. Third, consideration. It means promise to do something of value exchange. Fourth, capacity. All the parties must have a legal ability to enter into a contract. Fifth, legality. The purpose of the contract must be lawful. Mutual assent. It means all the parties must agree to the same terms and conditions and there must be same intention to create a legally binding relationship. If any of these elements is missing, what it seems like a contract might be an agreement. Now I give you an example. If you hire a contractor to renovate a flat in Borivali, you both sign a written document stating you will pay rupees 50,000 for the work and they promise to complete the work by the end of next month. This is a contract because it contains all the elements, that is, offer, acceptance, consideration, capacity, legality, and mutual assent. If the contractor takes your money and does not do the work, you can file a case against him in the court. Every contract is an agreement, but every agreement is not a contract. An agreement is a mutual understanding or promise between parties. A contract is a specific type of agreement that is legally binding and enforceable in a court of law. The fundamental difference lies in enforceability. Now let's see the key difference between agreement and contract. An agreement is a mutual understanding or arrangement, while a contract is a specific type of agreement that is legally binding and enforceable in a court of law. Second, an agreement may or may not be enforceable, while a contract is always a legally enforceable. Third, an agreement can be entirely informal, that is verbal, written or implied, while a contract is typically formal, that is written and detailed. Fourth, elements of agreements are offer and acceptance, while elements of contracts are offer, acceptance, consideration, capacity, legality, and mutual assent. In case of agreement, it's not always recognized as creating legal duties, while in case of contract, it creates legally enforceable rights and liabilities. Examples of agreements are MOUs, social arrangements, handshake deals, while examples of contracts are employment agreements, lease agreements, and sales contracts.